Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss the 1980 Chevrolet Malibu SS as a hidden gem in the world of classic American muscle cars. While the Malibu name is often associated with practicality and family cruising, the SS variant gave it a more aggressive edge. With a powerful V8 under the hood, a sporty design, and that unmistakable late 70s, early 80s muscle car stance, the 1980 Malibu SS remains a sought-after collectible. Let's start with the design. The 1980 Malibu SS retained the boxy yet stylish look that defined the late 70s and early 80s. It featured a bold front grille, squared-off headlights, and subtle SS badging that set it apart from the standard Malibu. The fastback-style roofline and clean body lines gave it a balanced mix of muscle and sophistication. This was the era when cars had personality, and the Malibu SS had just enough aggression to turn heads without being over the top. Inside, the cabin was designed with both comfort and sportiness in mind. The SS package included bucket seats, a sportier steering wheel, and optional gauge clusters that added a performance-focused feel. While it wasn't as luxurious as some of the high-end muscle cars of the time, it had a charm that made it perfect for enthusiasts who wanted a daily driver with a little extra punch. Now, let's talk about what made this car special: the engine. The 1980 Malibu SS offered a choice of V8 power plants, with the most popular being the 5.0-liter, 305 cubic inch V8, producing around 150 horsepower. While that may not seem like much by today's standards, remember, this was the early 80s, a time when emissions regulations had started to choke muscle car performance. Despite this, the Malibu SS had a solid low-end torque that made it fun to drive, and with the right aftermarket upgrades, owners could easily unlock more power. The transmission options included a 3-speed automatic or a 4-speed manual, with the manual being the preferred choice for those who wanted a true muscle car experience. The rear-wheel drive setup and relatively lightweight chassis made it enjoyable to throw around corners, and with some suspension tweaks, the handling could be significantly improved. On the road, the 1980 Malibu SS wasn't the fastest muscle car of its time, but it had a smooth ride and enough grunt to make highway cruising enjoyable. It had a reputation for reliability, making it a solid choice for car enthusiasts looking for a blend of classic styling and decent performance. Today, the 1980 Chevrolet Malibu SS has become a rare collector's item. Prices vary depending on condition and originality, but a well-maintained example can range from $15,000 to $30,000, with fully restored or modified versions reaching higher prices. Given its relatively low production numbers and growing appreciation among classic car lovers, the value of the Malibu SS is expected to continue rising. The 1980 Chevrolet Malibu SS might not be the most famous muscle car of its era, but it's definitely one of the coolest sleeper classics out there. It's got style, a solid V8 heart, and a nostalgic charm that makes it a great addition to any collection. Thanks for watching this review. If you love classic cars, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 1980 Malibu SS over other muscle cars of its time? Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the roads open.